Welcome to IQ Autos, the intelligent choice. Ride in style with a 2009 Infiniti G37. This is a G37 with a 3.7-liter V6, 24-valve engine, 7-speed automatic transmission, and low miles. With a fuel consumption of 18 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway, you will have a hard time finding a better deal. This vehicle features 50 state emissions, power windows, cruise control, power mirrors, alloy wheels, air conditioning, dash-mounted CD, leather seats, trunk lights, power door locks, trip computer, rear defogger, power steering, fog lights, and engine immobilizer. This is the vehicle you've been dreaming about. With its driver and passenger airbag, 4-wheel ABS and side airbag, this vehicle has the features to protect you and your passengers. Come in to see more vehicles like this one and enjoy our first-class service. Call, click, or come in today.